أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. Today I am making a beautiful video for those who want to teach online Quran in English. So today I will tell you that which country are using Fatah, Dhamma, Kasra, Fatatan, Dhammatan, Kasratan, and which country are using Zabar Zer Pesh, Khada Zabar Khadi Zer, Ulta Pesh. I tell you, Asian countries use Zabar Zer Pesh, Khada Zabar Khadi Zer, Ulta Pesh, especially in subcontinent Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. Arab people use in Middle East Fatah, Kasra, Dhamma, Kasratan, Dhammatan, Fatatan. So thank you very much for watching this video, and this is my humble request to all of you, please subscribe my channel, and could be possible to share it as much as you can, especially on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Eman Mujamal. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hamza standing fatah a, meme fatah nun man. This meme will connect with the nun sakina. You make a ikfa here because after nun sakina ta duma is coming, so you make a ikfa here. Amatu. Next, billahi. This is the ba kasra b. Will connect with the lam standing fatah la billah ha kasra hi. You will read with the tarqiq. The meaning of tarqiq very soft. You will softly read this ism jalalat billahi. Kama, ka fatah ka, mim fatah, alif ma, kama. This is a alif madda also. Kama, huwa, ha dumma, hu wa fatah wa, huwa. Ba kasra bi, hamza fatah sin as. This hamza will connect with the sin. After connected, the sound should be here as. Be as. Ma, you will stretch a little bit because alif has a short mud over there. You will stretch for 3 seconds. Ma, hamza kasra e, ha standing kasra hi. Be as ma e, we call it madde muttasil. Wa fatah wa, sad kasra si. This is the heavy letter. Haruf musta'aliya letters, they were 7 bold letters, haruf musta'aliya letters. So the sad is one of them. Sad kasra si. Fa fatah alif fa, wasi fa, ta kasrati, ha standing kasra hi, wasi fatihi, wa fatah wa, qaf fatah qa, ba kasra lam bil, waqabil ta dumatu, waqabil tu, jim fatah ja, mim kasra ya mi. This is the ya madda. Ain fatah jami'a. You will stretch a little bit because this is the ya madda here. Hamza fatah ha ah, qaf fatah alif ka, mim kasra mi, ha kasra standing kasra hi, ahkamihi. You will stretch a little bit because this is the alif madda here. Ahkamihi. This is the throttle letter, and There were 6 throttle letters, so ha sakina is one of them. Ahkamihi, you will stretch a little bit because there is a standing kasra and short mad over there. Iqra, wrong, hamza kasra qaf, iq. This is the qalqala letter. They were 5 qalqala letters. Qutubu jaddin. When they have jazm sign on them, then they become qalqala letters. So the qaf is heavy letter also and qalqala letter. So you will read slightly with echo sound. Iq. Iqra, you will stretch a little bit because the ra fatha, ra, and after ra fatha, ra, alif is coming. So when there is a fatha before alif, then alif become madda letter. Iqra, wrong. Okay, ra has dummatan, and after dummatan, tanween. After tanween, ba is coming, and you should apply the iqlab rules on ba. And meme, tani meme, you can see here there is a tani meme, and the tani meme sound would be merged into dummatan. Iqrarum belli, belli. This ba kasra b sound will connect with the lam mushadda kasra. Belli, sa sin, fata alif sa, noon kasrani. Iqrarun billisani wa tasdiqun wa fata wa ta fata sad tas dal kasra ya di. This is a ya madda. Wa tasdiqun qaf dumma dummaten ba kasra b. B sound will connect with the lam bil. Qaf fatha lam qal, ba kasra b. Wa tasdiqun bil qalbi. When you stop at the end letter, okay, this is the waqf tam here, and at the last letter ba kasra b would be changed into ba sakina. This ba kasra b become ba sakina, and the rule should be applied on qalqala. Wa tasdiqun bil qalb, qalb. Now I am going to read Urdu translation for Asian people, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indian. मैं ईमान लाया अल्लाह अज़्वजल पर जैसा कि वो अपने नामों और सिफ़तों के साथ है, और मैंने उसके तमाम अहकाम कबूल किए, और ज़ुबान से इकरार करते हुए और दिल से तस्दीक करते हुए. I have faith in Allah as He is known by His names and attributes, and I accept all His commands. On Monday 12th Rabi Awal 571 AD, a child was born to Bibi Amina, Hazrat Bibi Amna Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. He was given the name Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hazrat Bibi Amna, the praised one. His father's name was Hazrat Abdullah Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Hazrat Abdullah passed away before Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born. The grandfather Hazrat Abdul Muttalib Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu took Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to the Kaaba and thanked Allah for giving him a grandson. Hazrat Abdul Muttalib Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu made an Hakika for Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam on the 7th day after his birth. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.